Good morning, friends, and it's the day after the wedding. Not gonna lie, boy's a little tired, a little bit sore. The one thing about a day after a wedding is, especially when it's outside, dude, your shoes get so dirty. One thing that I'm already finding with trying to do this every day is having to let go of things that aren't perfect or exactly the way I want it, and that's kind of the point. It's the reason why I wanted to do this in the first place, was because I wanted to work on my ability to make decisions and just move. And today's one of those days, man. Like I ended up talking a lot about some stuff I think is important. I think people are going to be able to find valuable, but you know, I wanted more, you know, B-roll stuff and wedding stuff, and I just thought like it was more important to leave the talking and not all the action. So hopefully today's gonna be a little more about action, but yeah, pushing upload every day is doing something good in my brain. Okay, so we made it home and I want to demonstrate something. I want to demonstrate how much it's important to have music be a part of your life and your world and the everyday things you do. You can be extra about it. It makes it more fun. I'm going to demonstrate, okay? Here we go. We're going to race cars, and first let's race cars with no music. No music. We're just going to race cars. Okay, ready? All right. Hi, Romy. Okay, start your engines. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, so that's like kind of fun, right? It's kind of fun, but hold on, you ready? You ready? You ready? Let's race again, but this time with music. Hey Google, play Thunder in Your Heart by John Farnham. Okay, now let's try this again. Start your engines. On your mark, get set, go! And they're off. Mickey's in first, Donald Duck short behind. They go over a big jump. Boom! Who won?
Mickey!
We're gonna go on a mission, me, Kingston, and the shark, and probably Romy. And we're going to find my favorite movie of all time. It's called Rad.
Okay.
It's a BMX bike movie from the 80s. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. It's in a box somewhere and I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna find it, right? Yeah. Let's go find it.
Let's go.
Okay, so it might be in this bag. We gotta get these over here and take them out of the bag. Let's go look. Okay, Kingston, no joke. The moment we pull the bag open, look what's just shining in the stack. Rad! Dude, can we watch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we watch it?
Yeah.
Can we watch it?
Yeah.
Okay. And just to give you guys all context, this movie I never actually made it to DVD. This is something that another crazed fan made, like illegally ripped it off of HBO or something when it played randomly and made a DVD of it. But I'm so thankful that he did, because this corny 80s movie is so good. Rad, you guys. Watch the movie Rad. You won't regret it. Well, you might regret it because it might be kind of corny to you, but I love it. Watch the movie Rad.
What are we doing, Dad?
We're going to PetSmart to buy a fish tank for a video shoot, and then we're gonna go to the pool and film a mermaid video.
We're going to PetSmart. We're going to PetSmart.
I think Dad's getting something for a little work.
But they don't have to pay for her work. For his work. They don't have anything. Yep, that's why they don't have anything.
Here's Dad. Do you see Dad?
Yep. Did he got it? Did he got it? Oh, man.
Oh, man.
That's for the fish.
There you Good. What's that?
Maybe like a front.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, can you do this whole turn a little bit, and then go ahead and grab the mug and dip. Yes! Yes! Grab the mug? Yeah. So we're wrapped on the shoot, the mermaid shoot, which I didn't even tell you guys about, but it was super last minute. It turned out cool. My wife helped a lot, which was super cool. But we made this happen in like a day. We got people to come, they both work for Dutch Bros, and then we have some close friends that let us use their pool. So nice of them and so grateful. And I tried out this new thing, Jakob Owens style. I used that fish tank, and I kind of used it to put my camera half underwater. I'll give you a little like snippet of what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a beautiful Sunday. You're watching this on Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow.